Hi, welcome to this new video. In this video, I like to share my vision on Agile coaching and the different phases through time of the coaching trajectory. I really like to learn from your experience in this field and the planning you apply from entering a new organization to eventually leave for a longer time. I see different phases of Agile coaching. In 1954, Maslow distinguished 4 phases in the acquisition of new knowledge, skills or competences. And it represents 4 phases of acquisition of new knowledge or skills. It's unconscious incompetence, conscious incompetence, conscious competence, and finally unconscious competence. I really like to see my approach to coaching in the similar phases. So let's dive in. Unconsciously incompetent. So if I enter a new organization, basically the team already uses an agile approach, which they acquired through time. My approach here is to start observing the team, not dive in and bomb the team with theories and trainings, just see what is happening in the phase you're entering. I make a lot of notes of the facts using all my senses. What do I see happening? Non-verbal expressions, for example. What do people say and do? The personal introduction and individual coaching also starts in this phase. So let's dive into the second phase, consciously incompetent. I like to start to share my observations and the gap I see between the Agile principles and values to the current situation. For example, the team is using the Scrum framework and you didn't see any product vision or sprint goal during their observations, which causes the team to land in regular discussions about what to do the next sprint. In this phase, I'm also demonstrating agile methods using playful activities and workshops. So let's move on to the next phase, which is consciously competent. So the team learned new things, learned new tools, learned new practices, and they also learned to apply it. In this phase, I really like to blend in and participate. I really like to set an example as a Scrum Master, if there is no clear Scrum Master in the team. Or I like to team up with the Scrum Master in the team. In this phase I also try to stimulate the Scrum Master or team to take over my activities. So let's move to the next phase and the final phase. Unconsciously competent. So the team learned their practices and it's becoming the new standard how they do that. So just like the first phase, the final phase concludes with observations, where the last points of attention I see as a coach are reflected with the team. From here, for me, it's also time to move on and leave the team with this new agile mindset. So the team has a mindset of continuously improvement. Yeah, so no matter how much I connect with the team, the goal is eventually to leave the organization after coaching and hopefully with a positive result and a good feeling. From here, the team and the organization takes over the never-ending journey of continuously improving. So I shared my approach and vision on agile coaching. I really like to learn from you here. Where do you see a match or mismatch in your approach? Did I miss some aspects? Maybe we can handle in the next video. I really hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I hope to see you next time.